The Sandigan Bayan has convicted alleged pork barrel scam mastermind Janet Lim Napoles and former Cagayan de Oro representative Constantino Haraula of graft and malversation over the supposed misuse of his PDAF or Priority Development Assistance Fund. The Anti-Graft Court's First Division found Napoles and Haraula guilty of earning around 20.8 million pesos in kickbacks. It was done by diverting Haraula's PDAF allocation to dubious non-government organizations. Haraula was also convicted of 3 counts of direct bribery. The Sandigan Bayan ordered Napoles and Haraula to return a total of 36 million pesos. They will serve a maximum prison sentence of 18 years. Several former government employees were also convicted.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.